everyone, Zayra here. I just wanted to send out a quick invite to my open house this Friday and Saturday from 1 to 4 and Sunday from 10 to 1 at this beautiful single-story home in the community of Rancho Bella Vista. Come on out if you have been considering purchasing. If you need to talk to a lender, we'll have a lender on hand on Friday and more information on the lending process for you as well. Please come on out, take a look, and see if this is the home you've been waiting for. Have a great day. Hope to see you here. Bye.